In this video, we will take a look how to make the pin setup for a new key which is maybe published, maybe not published. So let's now take a look on the left side. We will find the option pin setup. So I will click this and our pin setup page will open up. You can see that the current live theme is always pre-selected and that we have already done successfully the pin setup. Now let's say we have added a new pin. I will go to this drop down and we'll take a look, and you can see here that the pin spotlight is, for example, a new theme which I have added to this store. I will click on this. Now it's been checked and we can see, okay, here there are no ticks. It is not completed yet. And now it's very easy. We just have to follow these steps one by one. First of all, we have to click the button Enable App. I will do so. Now the pin editor will open up and the app embed gets automatically activated here on the left side. Now you'll have to do the following. You have to click the Save button. I will do so. Then you will see the message changes saved, and whenever you see that, you can move back to the previous step and you will see here that the indication will move to banned. So now we will go to the second step. We find the display position and we will check the button Act Display Position. I will click that button. A new tab will open up and you can now see that automatically on the left side on the Product Information tab in the very bottom the text box will be added, the Act block. So now we have to do the following. We have to hold it clicked and move it above the buy buttons, because this is the most recommended display position. It's better to show the fields above the actor card than below it, but I think that's clear. So now we have to click the button Save. We have to wait until we see the toast changes saved. We can return to the previous cap and we will see that now also the second step is successfully completed. So now everything is done. We can just move on to the regular dashboard page. We can create new fields to whatever we want. And now whenever this neat theme is set to live in online stores, you can see right now the Dawn theme is my current theme, but if at a later point I will now activate then the Spotlight theme, that means then that the fields will also be displayed now at the correct position.